Hi, I am Ilango. I'm studying Business College of Engineering, Department of Mechanical and Mechatronic Engineering. Today topic of CNC BMC video. CNC, a computer numerical control, is a manufacturing method that automatically control a movement and precision of a machine tools through the uses of pre-programmed computer software, which is embedded inside the tools. The CNC is commonly used in manufacturing for machining metal and plastic parts. How computer numerical control works. With CNC, each object to manufacturing gets a customized computer program, usually written in international standard language called G code, stored in accepted by the machine control unit MCU. A microcomputer attached to machine, the M-code language is also used connection with G-code in its CNC operation. Thanks to our